Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by isolating the problem. Reboot into safe mode so only system apps run, then immediately back up photos and documents to cloud or computer to avoid data loss. Once done, open Google Play Protect and run a quick scan. This helps detect known bad apps. Make sure to review recently installed apps and their permissions, and note any that request SMS, contacts, or device admin. These are high risk and likely candidates for removal. Next, you dig deeper into what's running and consuming resources. Open Settings, sort apps by install date and check permissions. Uninstall any app you don't recognize or that requests SMS, phone, or admin access. Then check battery and mobile data charts for sudden spikes. Those usually indicate background activity from malware. If an app has device administrator enabled, revoke that permission first, otherwise you can't remove it. Finally, run a reputable mobile antivirus scanner to catch anything hiding in system folders. To finish, apply fixes and harden the device. Update Android and every app to close known vulnerabilities, then remove residual junk by clearing caches and reinstalling apps from trusted sources. If suspicious behavior continues, perform a factory reset and restore only files and apps you verified as safe. Avoid restoring app data that might reintroduce malware. Change passwords and enable two-factor authentication for accounts that were on the phone. Troubleshooting tip: if reset fails or malware survives, seek professional service or reflash firmware using the OEM tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.